So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this, and then you want to signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com, and then you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen, and then at the feature, at the networks and add-ons, you want to click on this right arrow, and then you want to choose on Hallmark Plus, and then you want to add this Hallmark Plus to your membership of YouTube TV by clicking on Next. And then you can complete your purchase of the Hallmark Plus with $8 per month with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. So just click on I agree and then click on Start Membership. And then to watch the Hallmark Plus after you complete the purchase, and you can do this on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. Just click on the search icon at the top right of your screen, and then you want to search for Hallmark. And then just click on this Hallmark Plus, because the Hallmark TV, you can watch it by having the base plan of YouTube TV. And there you go, now you can watch the Hallmark Plus series, movies, and so on. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Hallmark Plus on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.